Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to learn about active and passive voice. So these are the 5 basic rules to change the voice of a sentence. The first one is find the SVO. When you are going to change a sentence from active to passive voice, you have to identify subject, verb and object. Look at this sentence, she reads a book. In this sentence, she is subject, reads is verb and a book is object. So you have to identify subject, verb and object of a sentence while changing the voice of this sentence. The second rule to change the voice of a sentence is convert object into subject. In this sentence, a book is object and we have changed into a subject here. The third rule to change the voice of a sentence is use suitable helping verbs with subject. Students, keep this thing in mind that if your subject is singular, so you have to use the singular verb. And if your sentence contains plural subjects, so you have to use the plural helping verb with your sentence. The fourth rule to change the voice of a sentence is convert the main verb into third form. In this sentence, reads is the main verb and we have changed into its third form here. It is pronounced as read. Spellings are same but we pronounce it as read. So you have to keep this thing in mind that you have to convert the main verb into third form while changing the voice of a sentence. The fifth rule to change the voice of a sentence is use preposition by. In this sentence we used by here. A book is read by her. Okay, so these are the 5 basic rules to change the voice of a sentence. Find the SVO, convert object into subject. Third one is use suitable helping verbs with subject. Fourth is convert the main verb into third form. And fifth is use preposition by. These tenses cannot be converted into passive. Keep this thing in mind that these tenses cannot be converted into passive. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous and future perfect continuous. These tenses cannot be converted into passive voice. Students, have a look at this. You have to keep this thing in mind that you have to change these words while changing the voice of a sentence after by. I will be changed into me. You will remain same as you. She will be changed into her. They will be changed into them. We will be changed into us. He will be changed into him. And who will be changed into whom. And if a name is used in a sentence, it will remain same. So first of all, we will start from present indefinite tense and we will change some sentences from active to passive voice. The first sentence is she reads a book. So we will change the object into subject. So here it is done. A book is read by her. She is changed into her and we have used the third form of read. The second sentence is they climb a wall. Here a wall is object and we will change into subject here. So this sentence will be solved as a wall. Here subject is singular, so we have to use the singular helping verb is. A wall is climbed by. They will be changed into them. Keep this thing in mind also that in active voice sentences of present indefinite tense, do and does are helping verbs. But in passive voice sentences, is, am and are helping verbs. The third sentence is you do not tell a lie. It is negative, and while changing the negative sentences of active to passive voice, same rules are applied. In this sentence here have a look. A lie is subject, a lie is object and we have changed into subject here. A lie, it is singular, so we use singular helping verb with it. A lie is after that we put not. A lie is not the third form of tell is told, so we wrote told here. A lie is not told by, you will be same as you. A lie is not told by you. Next sentence is he reads good books. Here we change the object into subject here. Good books. It is plural, so we use plural helping verb with it. Good books are read by. He will be changed into him. Good books are read by him. Fifth sentence is Sana does not like mangoes. Here again we apply these rules. Mangoes are. It is plural, so we use plural helping verb with it. Mangoes are not liked by Sana. Third form of like is liked, and we use by, and it is name, so it will remain same. Mangoes are not liked by Sana. Next sentence is they do not write a letter. In this sentence again we change the object into subject. A letter, it is singular, so we use singular helping verb with it. A letter is not written by them. Third form of write is written. Next sentence is children make a noise. Again, noise is made by children. Third form of make is made, and we use by. Noise is made by children. Next sentence is I like mangoes. Mangoes is plural, so we use plural verb with it. Mangoes are liked by, I will be changed into me. Mangoes are liked by me. Now these are interrogative sentences. Does he write a letter? So you have to use the helping verb singular. Is a letter written by, he will be changed into him. Is a letter written by him. And the next sentence is do you sing a song? It will be changed into interrogative. Is a song, because song is singular.